So let's take that webinar example. One, define the persona of the person. Spend a few hours in that process of, this is my target client, my target customer, the person I think I can help most in the world. They went to school here, they're of this gender, they're of this age, they have this many children, they earn this much money. Here's something they wrote, right? If you have an actual person that you're actually targeting. Here is the webinars I'm running. Here's the email sequences I have. Here are the landing pages that I produce. Save as PDF, upload to Claude. How will this persona react to these materials? What objections do they have that they're not telling me? What are their goals? What are they trying to achieve in the world? Okay, so now we have the personas, and we have analyzed how we've approached those personas, and then you top that with the generation. Based on this, generate me a 5-email sequence. Based on this, generate me a script for a webinar. Based on this, generate me a landing page. Based on this, generate mid-journey imagery in order to attract this person. Based on this, generate this video slideshow. Generate, generate, generate. But generate sits on top of the analysis, and the analysis sits on top of the personas and the advisory. And you can ignore everything I just said if you want, and just go to ChatGPT and say, write me a blog post. But all you're doing by doing that is the $0 version, granted, of the Fiverr.com $30 an hour guy. It is still worth it. You're still saving $30 an hour, but you're just getting a less intelligent output. I don't know if that'll be true in a year, but right now, if you skip straight to generation, you are just getting a less intelligent version of the copywriter, the image, the designer, the ad manager you could have hired.